Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Chase mobile app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Chase app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Chase Mobile. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.